It's Friday morning. The kids have their homeschool group Valentine's party today. So me and Sissy are in here getting everything ready. She's about to make some sausage balls. I'm making chocolate covered strawberries. And we have our Rice Krispie treats right here that I'm gonna slice up. We're gonna transfer those to this container. The chocolate covered strawberries we're gonna put inside these little heart pans that have some lids with them. And the sausage balls are gonna go on the heart platter. We also have this veggie tray that we're taking. Here's the recipe for the sausage balls. And you can use the mixer to mix them. It's easier to use the mixer. And then you can just use the cookie scoop, you know, to put them on the pan.
Is Tyler yet?
I haven't seen him. Tyler! Yes. Sissy's gonna put everything for the sausage balls in here. This is our no Bisquick recipe that I've shown y'all a bunch of times. It's just some flour, baking powder, salt, pepper, cheese, sausage, melted butter, and a little bit of milk. I'll put the recipe down below for y'all. Okay, Sissy's got the chocolate almond bark there for me. Now I'm gonna chop up the white. I need to put on my ice machine. I need some ice. I'm gonna wash the strawberries and let them be drying. While they're drying, I'll shred Sissy's cheese up for her. I think all these strawberries are good. We got these from Aldi last night. They are really pretty. Yeah. So at Ingles, they're selling half a dozen chocolate covered strawberries. I think they were about $10 for 6 chocolate covered strawberries. These strawberries at Aldi were I think the price was $2.67 or something like that. And the almond bark, I'm only having to use half of this block of almond bark. I think it's around $3 or $4. I'll have to check on Walmart. I'll just put a price up on here of how much 6 of our strawberries would be, making them homemade instead of those at Ingles. Now those were pretty big, but there's some really big ones in here. I mean, some of these from Aldi are really big. Like, look at that one. That's like 2 together. Yeah, there's only a few that are little small ones, and I actually like the smaller ones better. They're a little easier to eat. Look, we even have a long stem one in here, like they have at Ingles.
Where's my shredded cheese?
Oh, I'm sorry. 2, you only need 1 block. Right, here you go. You can put that block back up.
I feel like I'm eating the honey fries.
You do? There's your cheese. You got it locked over there?
Yeah, I got it locked. I don't know why.
You just have to hold it, even if it's locked. It wants to do that sometimes. Hey Manly, I already got your clothes ironed and ready for you. They're in my room, okay? Something. I don't have any wax paper again, so I'm going to use foil to lay these strawberries out on. We've got the first pan of sausage balls in. I got all the strawberries covered in chocolate. Now I'm gonna melt, I'm not gonna need all this white almond bark, so I'm gonna put some of it in this bag. I just need a little bit to drizzle over the tops of the strawberries. So we have 30 strawberries here. This wasn't all of them. There were a few that were really, really big and some that were too small. So let's see, 30, let me see how many of those are in here. Where are they? Oh. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. There are about 38 strawberries total in those 2 packages. I'm gonna put the white almond bark inside this squirt bottle when it gets done. We still have to help Manly with the names on his Valentines. They're so cute. His remind me of the conversation hearts, because Sissy helped him put the doilies on the construction paper, and they used all different colors like yellow and purple and orange. So they look like little conversation heart Valentines. She taped the little chocolate on there. Let me see how fast this is gonna come out. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Oh yeah, I like the light pink better than the dark pink, but I already did it now, so I'm gonna do a few of them, but the rest I'll do light pink. Okay, let's get everybody's names on here. You ready?
Yep. The one with the baby is
This is Avery's. Okay, well, let's go ahead and write Avery on here then.
How do you spell that?
A.
A.
Now we have Isabella. Which one do you want for Isabella?
Probably not that one, this one.
That one? Okay, now Isabella's got a long name too, so start over here.
Right there.
Up here, yeah, right here. Big I. See?
Ten? Ooh. Pass it to her. And then you push it to me. Okay. First come out.
We'll see what's in that one first.
Yeah. Yeah, it says like down.
Oh, you got some candy in there. Ooh. You got a lot of candy.
Oh, wow. Oh, I got one of them. A little card in here. That's this.
Oh, yeah. Let's see who that one's from. Oh, what is that? It's an eraser. Ooh. We got the Valentine's special at Rib Country right here.
See ya.
It's not really. It's the feast for one, but
That's
it's
really
enough for two.
One right there, folks. That's a one-person thing right
Yeah,
there.
with yeah, no, that's the one. Yeah, and then we added baked potatoes. It comes with the chicken, ribs, brisket, and pulled pork. Next stop, Walmart. We're going in here to get cereal because the cereal
That I eat.
he likes to put on his. I guess you kind of make your own homemade cereal.
Yeah, I do.
With this cereal, but you add it to oats and stuff, right?
Yeah.
Ingles has been sold out of it. So we got to stop by Ingles for some stuff that Walmart doesn't have, but we got to come here first to get the cereal. Cereal is on aisle A14, A15. There it is, I found it.
Which one do I normally get? The orange?
They just got the orange one here, yeah.
So, that's it. Which one we're getting? That's good cereal right there, folks. Sprouted grains. I'm a Bible reader too. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Is this all we need?
That's all we came in here for, but I want to...
And I got a bucket.
Yeah, but I want to go over here because
Here.
tomorrow's
I don't
Valentine's
want
Day.
people thinking I got a
No, we need the buggy.
I'll buckle it up like I think it's my child. You know what I'm saying? In our world today, you can do this kind of stuff. Yeah, that's Ezekiel. Well, look, hurry up now. He's going to have to have his diaper.
Fox and socks.
Yeah, get him a book.
Yeah.
I'll read that to him.
Manly loves the Dr. Seuss books. Where did he go? Oh, he's getting clothes for Ezekiel.
Way too big for him, ain't it?
Yeah, that's too big.
Perfect size.
Stackable sneaker and storage?
I mean,
Like you showcase your sneakers? These are cute. Aren't they? Look, it's a lobster.
I mean, that's like people we're gonna let try to hold our new boy. Name's Ezekiel. 4'9".
Engels don't want anybody to forget.
You like this one?
Yeah. What about Sissy?
Oh yeah, Sissy here. I'll get her to go.
A balloon and a stuffed animal. She'll like this one.
Okay. I was trying to keep that balloon from hitting him, and I tipped it up like Dukes of Hazzard. Since Ezekiel is our new son, this is going to be our new vehicle. Folks, you can't say anything today to people. You can be like, that's not your son. I'll be like, that is my boy. But we're fixing to go on a hot air balloon ride in our vehicle.
Can you squeeze this doggy and see if it's blown up enough? Like, I don't want it to go down on her in one night, you know?
It ain't. I'm telling you, I'm having to push down on this buggy right here.
Tell me the truth.
I'm having to push down on our vehicle because it's wanting to pick.
If we need.
Look at that. I think she'll like this dog right here.
Okay. Oh, we forgot the peanut butter. Go this way though, because I want to see if we need a different balloon. I know, but it's feeling like it's going flat.
It's right here in my visual.
I see another puppy one. Let's go see. Well, let's go see if that other puppy one right there is fat, not as flat.
Fatter? Okay.
It looks tighter. See, it looks a lot tighter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotta get back out there and check on Ezekiel.
If you popped it, you got to go back in there and get another one. You popped it.
Shut my dog's ear.
You popped it.
No. He didn't even bark when I did it.
It's going flat now.
It's not. I popped a $350 tire the other day, I know.
Yeah, are you
Jeff,
sure?
when I pulled out of your farm the other day, brother, I blowed a $350.
Are you sure it's okay?
Yeah. He's probably getting cold, is what's wrong.
No.
We brought him out of that warm store out here in the cold, and that's what's going on with him.
I'm afraid he's popped. And it's going to go flat even tonight, and she ain't even...
Sweetie, I'll go buy another one if you want me to. But I'm telling you, in the morning you'll be surprised. This one right here.
It's a tiny deal somewhere that's...
He's blowing the horn, but there's nothing. If you want me to go buy another one, I will. You're gonna hear little noises, baby.
Crackles. It's
the heat.
It sounds like shrinking.
No, it's the heat blowing him back up.
It's a shrink. Maybe he's
That would
okay.
have been hold every day. Ezekiel would have been squalling his eyes.
Maybe he's okay. Maybe he's okay, but I'm hearing the sound of shrinkage.
You're hearing the sound of blowing up. That heat is starting to bring. It's starting to hear him.
Do you not believe you're right? He's blowing back up.
I'm almost.
It's not the sound of shrinking.
If he were to need a parvo shot, I'd give him one, but that would deflate him.